Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Everyone, do you want to learn how to sell tickets on Ticketek or Ticketek or whatever you call it? In this video, we will guide you throughout the steps to list and sell your tickets, from setting up your account to managing sales. We've got you all covered. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first thing first, I will need you to go ahead and open Ticketek or whatever you want to call it. I don't know how to call it because there is a lot of people calling it whatever they want. So it is Ticketek or Ticketek or whatever. So doesn't really matter. What are we going to do today, guys, is use this platform to be able to make some money selling tickets. How can we do so? First of all, we need to have an account. Click in here and click on sign in or sign up so you can get to this page. Click on sign up again, and here you will be able to go to this page where you have to sign up. So let's start by putting here our email, password. There we go. Password again. Here title, Mr. Here date of birth. Let's just put random stuff. 03 90 98. Country code, let's choose for example here, let's go all the way up right here, and here I'm gonna just simply put the number. Is it necessary? Yeah, it is necessary. Here address line, I don't think it is necessary. Here I think it's gonna be 90k. Yeah, it is 90k. Yeah, let's keep everything else like that. Here for country, let's call it Morocco, and let's remove everything from here because I would not like that. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So once we have done this, we simply have to go and check our email for inbox. There we go. Click on here, and basically this is everything that we need. So please do not reply to this email. Contact us online at you come to my ticket to update your special offer, etc, etc, etc. So now we have created our account successfully. So here, as you can see, you will find your location, my account, order, where's my ticket, etc, etc. So let's go to here. As you can see, ticket sharing info guide, how to use mobile tickets, how do I collect my ticket, etc. But this is not what we are looking for. Here you are going to look for selling tickets, so sell ticket. And as you can see, events can be sold. Can I sell my ticket? So click in here on this article. So sell my tickets. If you are no longer able to attend an event you have purchased tickets for via Ticketek, you may wish to try selling them on Ticket Marketplace. Check out the Ticketek Marketplace site in here, as you can see, to see if this may be an option for you. Please note, not all events can be sold on Ticketek Marketplace. If you choose not to sell your tickets via Ticketek Marketplace, they should only be listed for no more than 10% above the face value of the ticket. So if not using Ticketek Marketplace, please also consider the below. You must consider any special conditions on your ticket. For example, some ticket types may be collection only or name on the ticket. Check your event page for details. We will not offer exceptions outside of these conditions, and you may need to be present for entry. Some events are considered declared events and covered by legislation where tickets cannot be unsold. There is no suspicious purchase activity in your account. So these are the main thing to consider before you get to use the Ticketek Marketplace. If you have unsold your unwanted ticket via a third party, it is important to remember that the cardholder who made the purchase with Ticketek remains the owner of the ticket. We are only able to discuss the booking with the original account cardholder who transacted with us. We are unable to directly assess the third party in any way. So click here for frequently asked questions. Now let's go to the Ticketek Marketplace, as you can see, and here you can click to sell your tickets. So normally here they will be taking you to the actual platform. So let me just remember my username. Let me just log in real quick. and in a few seconds they will just take us there. But let me just show you the website, how it looks like. So this is the marketplace website. Let's have a Ticketek account. Finally they have logged us in. Oh, what's weird? This is very weird. I don't know how they didn't look us in, but normally these are, for example, the events that are accepted right now. So there is fan to fan. You can see here the tickets that are available in here. So these are the events that are currently available. If you have tickets of other events, they might not be accepted by them. For example, there is this football match of China and Matildas. There is Chicago the musical. There is Wicked. There's Iron Maiden. There is Hot Wheels, Monster Trucks Live. There is Take That. There is Tenacious D and the Spicy Meat Beasts, I think, or Meatball Tour. There is Cigarettes After Sex. There is Conor Gray. There is Jerry Seinfeld live new show. There is Global Football Week Melbourne. There is Childish Gambino the New World Tour, and there is the Billie Eilish Hit Me Head and Soft. So these are the tickets that are available right now. So you can decide the ticket price for your own tickets. You simply have to go ahead and click, for example, buy tickets, and you'll find here a lot of tickets. So now none available at the moment. Unfortunately, there is none. Let's check for other things. So Billie Eilish is pretty popular. That's why you couldn't really find some. And here for Jerry Seinfeld, you will be finding a lot of tickets, and you will be finding also the prices of these tickets. So this is the main stage, and let's say, for example, you want the S110 number 1. So it's gonna be somewhere in here. Yeah, so this seat is basically gonna cost you around $632, so including all fees, including everything. So this is a pretty expensive deal, but in general this is how you can get it. Let's say you want one ticket only. Let's search for only one tickets, and you can get the idea of how expensive the tickets are. So here, for example, you get admit, ultimate admit, my tickets pre-sale admit. So you can get a lot of information and take a look about the prices. So once you are trying to create your own selling tickets, you might have an idea on how much you would like or you would sell these tickets for. So depending on the place, depending on the view, depending on the actual additional details that can be with the ticket and with the seats. For example, it is accessible by wheelchair. If that's so, that can be an additional feature which can require even more money. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.